Hi guys, this is just a quick bike update. So today I'm gonna show you the new handlebar I installed for my Deviant1. So the brand name is Satori Deviant1. So the size for this one is 760 millimeter, because the original handlebar in this bike comes with a 780, so it's a little bit shorter. See the design. Very simple, nice. So I got this from Amazon for like $39.98 Canadian dollars, I mean. So I haven't tried riding it yet, so probably I'm gonna do another video for that one after I test it out. So let's check in a different angle. Looks nice. Looks legit. So probably that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching. Bye.